Hello, everyone, and this is synthesis and cellular respiration in my slides. So, first off, we have the sun, which is giving off something to the chloroplast. So, the chloroplast is also giving something off to the mitochondrion. So, the mitochondrion gives something off to the chloroplast, and also the mitochondrion gives off something else. We know that that is the sun, and it is giving off sunlight energy to the chloroplast, of course. And then in return, the chloroplast is giving something off to the mitochondrion. And during that process, the mitochondrion releases ATP energy. So then, in both a chloroplast and mitochondrion, a chemical reaction is happening, which is in the chloroplast photosynthesis and in the mitochondrion cellular respiration. Of course, that's chlorophyll, which has green pigments, and that is where food is being made. Or you can call it sugar, where it is being made. Or you could call it glucose that is being made. As you can see, that is what photosynthesis makes in the chloroplast, which the mitochondria needs. So it is glucose and oxygen. And then after that, the mitochondrion does cellular respiration and gives off carbon dioxide and water, which goes to the chloroplast. As you can see, the top ones are the molecules produced by photosynthesis, and the bottom ones are the ones produced by cellular respiration. So, you could call the glucose and oxygen made by photosynthesis the products of photosynthesis because they were made by the photosynthesis from the chloride. And you could call the carbon dioxide and water made by cellular respiration the products of cellular respiration for the same reason you can to the chloroplast. So, you could put that glucose and oxygen are the molecules needed for the process of cellular respiration because you need those in order to perform cellular respiration. And you could also say that for photosynthesis, so you could call carbon dioxide and water the molecules needed for the process of photosynthesis. You could also say that glucose and oxygen are the reactants for cellular respiration because you need that, of course, to do cellular respiration. And you could say the same for the reactants for photosynthesis, which is carbon dioxide and water. So as you can see, carbon dioxide and water are being changed into glucose and oxygen in the chloroplast. And as you can see, glucose and oxygen are being changed into carbon dioxide and water inside the mitochondrion because of cellular respiration. Or you could say that the energy of the sunlight is being used to create the potential chemical energy of glucose molecules. And you could say the chemical energy of glucose is being converted into ATP energy. Another way you can put it is existing molecules are changing into different molecules for both inside the chloroplast and the mitochondrion. And for the ATP energy, you can put the release of energy that originated from the sun. And as you can see, the sun is giving off energy that plants need, and also energy that animals need because they feed on plants.